Here's again, there's another one. It's Saturday. There's two. Look at that, two. One going past each other there, look. That was lucky, wasn't it? How about that then? Right outside my window. I don't know if you can get any closer. Still heading towards Borsey. Can't get any bloody closer. Which is a shame. Don't think I'll look in, but I will. Yeah, there she is, look. Dead quiet. Yeah, well, this is Saturday, and 2nd of February 2013. It's 6:30 in the evening. We've got these ships going up and down again. I just wish they'd come over closer. I see a couple a fair distance away, and they look beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Through the binoculars, of course. But wouldn't have picked them up on the camera, so I had to let them go. Well, yeah, come on. I ain't gonna get it. I ain't gonna get it. I'm on full zoom. Oh, there he is. Now look at this. Isn't this beautiful? See how slow he's travelling, look. Now these are beautiful. Look at this, look. Fantastic. It's like he's coming over to check me out. Come on, I can see you, my friend. Beautiful lights. Yeah, I know, you're pretty, aren't you? So quiet. You've got no sound at all to you, have you? Oh, you're so beautiful. Gracefully gliding past. In front of my house. Well, actually at the back of my house. Well, not actually, no, you're in the front of my house, because I'm in the bedroom again, obviously. Get the best views here. See I'm going past the stars. Beautiful. No sound. Silently gliding. Come on, come over here, please. You've got some beautiful lights going on, my friend. Well, how about this, my friends? This is a beautiful little visit I'm getting here. Hello. You've got some beautiful lights flashing on you, sir. You definitely have, yes. Are you of the light or of the dark? What power do you represent? We're hoping that you're of the light. Yeah, just going to keep us wishing, aren't you? Keep us living in hope. Wondering. Oh, this is fantastic. He's just come from over Gaywood. He's come over. He's got a little bit daring. He's going towards Refley Woods, which is directly to my left. So he's flying. I guess he was flying from the southwest, heading northeast direction, because he's not going towards Borsey, he's heading towards Refley. Actually, if from my house he's heading towards Sandringham, the Royal Estate, Sandringham Estate. That's where he's heading. Yeah. Now I've been filming this for a good, what, 5 minutes, and he's travelled about half a mile. Give you some idea of the speed he's travelling at. Well, I'm going to let it go off here because here he goes, he's going past an aerial post. He's going directly over towards Refley Woods now. Bye bye, my friend. It was an honour seeing you, and I thank you for coming over. I shall let you pass. Bye bye.